3 seconds. That's all you have. After that, your content joins the 96% that dies in digital obscurity.
Watch what really happens. Your audience isn't reading, they're hunting, scanning. And your post? Invisible.
Your brain makes 3 instant judgments. Is this different? Is this valuable? Is this for me? Fail one test, you're gone. Pattern interrupt number 1, visual shock. Break their expectation in the first frame with unexpected imagery that stops the thumb. Number 2, emotional spike. Trigger immediate feeling, surprise, curiosity, fear. Emotion stops the scroll, logic doesn't. Number 3, the curiosity gap. Promise something they must know, but withhold just enough to make them watch. Here's the formula. Disrupt their pattern. Trigger emotion instantly. Promise clear value. Master this, you win the attention war.
This is what most content looks like. Safe, generic, forgettable, 12 likes after 3 days. Sound familiar?
Same message, same audience, different hook. Result, 237 times more engagement. This is repeatable. Why do people share? Because viral content makes them look smart, informed, ahead of the curve.
For modern leaders, this isn't optional anymore. Visibility equals influence, and influence determines who shapes the future of your industry. With AI, you're not just faster, you're smarter. Create pattern ups in minutes, test variations instantly.
You're not just creating videos, you're architecting a digital identity, one that scales beyond meetings, transcends geography.
So here's the choice. Stay invisible with safe content or engineer attention like the top 4%.
Comment 3-second rule below and I'll send you the complete framework. Free. Next episode, the emotion trigger matrix.